Hi guys, this is me, Filipina Tubero in Texas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am in the job site today. I'm here in the job site today this morning. I'll show you what I'm doing here. I am inventorying our fittings, our pipe, like that. Here is what I'm going to do today. I'll show you something. This is a 2.5 house. This is up. No, it's not 2.5. It's a up and down house. Very big house. We're working here for the top out. What we are doing today is we're finishing our up and down house. But next hour I'll show you what is the next video. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon dito, nag-inventory ako. I'm inventorying this pipe here because this is a different size and different fittings. I have to arrange it because I have to buy some of the fittings that we don't have so that our work it don't sit there. So that's why I'm here now to I show you something what I'm doing, what really I'm doing in our job. And my job is inventorying, looking for the pipe that we miss, like this, what we don't have, so that our worker can continue working. So if we don't have it, the pipe here or fittings like this, water line fix, ganun, the blue and water line fix we don't have, we had to call the plumbing supply what we don't have it. So this is now I'm here, so much a lot of stuff. Gosh, this is all is money here, it's laying around, plain really bad. I had to arrange it now. So this is Filipina Tubero in Texas. So yung trabahante namin kumukuha na ng pipe dito kasi ina-arrange ko na. So ang ginagawa ko dito, yung pipe na ito ina-arrange ko yun, yung mga size nila, mga different size ang ginagawa ko dito. Yung mga small size kailangan different box, kaya ini-inventory ko lahat na ito ginagawa ko lang para matuto ako kung anong size ito, anong pangalan ng pipe dito, kasi yung mga iba-iba dito, katulad nito, ang tinatawag nila dito ay pipe and 3-inch pipe, ganun, at saka yung 3-inch pipe PVC, ang tawag nila dito ay 3-inch pipe PVC. Then ito naman 3-inch and half, ang tinatawag nito 3-inch and half. Ito naman 3-inch straight, 3-inch, oh hindi pala, ito is 3-inch, oh ito is 3-inch pipe, ano, what we call this, like this, this is, ito pala ganito, 3-inch, example 3-inch combo. Ang ganito is 3-inch combo. Ito naman ganito, 3-inch combo.
I need a 3-inch plug.
3-inch plug. You're looking for 3-inch plug? Right here. This is a 3-inch.
I need a 90 like this, like this.
This is 3-inch plug, we call it. This is a 3-inch 9. Oh, no, it's not 3-inch 90. I just have to look for the inch. This one is it. This one is P-trap. Here, you need this P-trap?
Yeah, I need the other end of it because I need it for the washer.
Okay, what else you need?
There's 90 to it.
90, I have it already, right there. I got it already, right there. Here, right here.
That's one right there.
It's 90. 90.
You might be able to cut the plate, just use it.
It's 90.
You know what I mean?
3-inch pipe, 90.
Yes. We're going to raise it up
It's
anyway because it's freaking, you got to
45.
Alright, well then here,
This is
take this
4
damn long
inch.
plate, we'll just cut the
4
plate.
inch,
How about this 90? That's what you get.
3 inch.
Stay look like a 90 from where I was.
What you call this air?
Long sleeve.
Long sleeve. Ito yung long sleeve. That's 4 inch.
Oh, wait a
And also this one here is 3 inch. 3 inch, 3 inch.
Sanitary tea. Sanitary tea.
Sanitary tea. Sanitary. Tawag na ito is sanitary 3 inch. This one here is 3 inch. Saka ito is 90 for the this one here is 90 straight na lagay ito dito, ganito yun siya 90. Ay, saan na ba yun? Ito ay ganito yun, P-trap 90, ganun yun. Ito yung 90 at saka ito yung P-trap. Kailangan ko ay husband ko sabi niya, husband ko teach me how to see it, all these fittings, because if I'm working to the Home Depot, at least I know. And also this one is 2 inch, this one. So when I'm working to the plumbing supply, at least I know what is the need. Look at that, this my dog here is very sweet. Everywhere I go, she always there for me. And also she don't want to live in the house. She love to watch the car. Shadow, what are you doing, Shadow? So itong ginagawa namin dito for the plumbing tap out. Hindi namin ginagawa yung mga roping, mga concrete, air conditioning, electrician, iba-iba din yun. Ito yung ang reality sa Amerika, trabaho ng bonggang-bongga talaga. Ito yung tinatawag na skills job. Ito yung pinaka mahirap talaga minsan, pero okay naman, galing basta matuto ka lang kung paano mo i-handle. Google lang kasi bonggang-bongga naman. Basta kung skills job, maganda din. Pero gusto ko rin yung nasa opisina, pero mas maganda rin ganito kasi work, yung skills lagi ka nagtatayo, lagi kang tayo ng araw-araw. Minsan yung trabaho namin nasa early ng umaga, para din kami nag-school, pupunta sa trabaho kasi kailangan namin talaga pupunta sa trabaho ng maaga kasi yung trabahanta namin mauuna dito, tapos pag wala silang materials, umupo lang doon, tapos nagbabayad naman kami ng every hour nagbabayad kami, kaya kailangan namin nandun before sila nandun, kasi pag nandun na sila, yun, bayad kami ng bonggang-bongga dyan. Kaya ito, hindi namin trabaho yung electrician. We're just doing a pipe only. We're just doing pipe plumbing. Tinatawag plumbing. This is, we call it plumbing. So I have to call the plumbing supply if we don't have it, if we don't have materials here. So that's why we came here early. Ganun lang yung trabaho namin. Yung boss ay ito naman, yung sarili talaga namin itong business na plumbing. Tinatawag namin ito ay plumbing. Sarili namin, hindi kami may boss din kami. May boss kami, siguro mga 8 or 6 boss yung contract namin. 8 yata, 8 yung boss namin sa contract sa plumbing. Grabe, kahit saan kami pupunta. Pero yung sabi ng husband ko, kailangan ko talaga matuto ng ganito kasi pag magtrabaho ako sa plumbing supply, Home Depot, at least alam ko na ang mga size na to, ang pangalan na to, ganito. At saka ito yung water line, fixed water line. Kasi pag mag-retire na siya, sabi niya, pag hindi mo i-continue yung business natin, okay lang naman. Mahirap talaga yung plumbing, kaya hindi ako mag-plumbing. Hi, salamat sa inyong pagbunggang-bunga dyan. Anyway, kung huwag ninyong kalimutan, itamsak ako. At saka, isubscribe. Huwag kayong mag-alala pag may lunch time. At saka pag gabi, makapunta naman ako sa LS ninyo. Mag-comment din ako doon. Isa-subscribe ko rin kayo. So, don't worry. May time pa naman ako sa YouTube pag gabi, pag lunch time. Pag hindi ako masyado mabisi kasi kailangan ko lahat ng mga bills ako ang magbabayad, lahat ng mga inventory ako lahat. Walang nagtrabaho doon, ako lang kasi hindi kami nag-hire ng mga kuan dyan.